Again, we have 8x squared minus 8x plus 2, okay? First step always when we have to factor something, look for a greatest common factor. I noticed that this and this and this are all divisible by 2. When I factor out the 2, I'm left with 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. I double check and say, what's 2 times 4x squared? 8x squared. What's 2 times negative 4x? Negative 8x. What's 2 times positive 1? Positive 2. Next step, employ the AC method. Because I factored out this 2, the AC method is easy because A is positive 4, B is the negative 4, and C is negative 1. In other words, A is 4, B is negative 4, and C is 1. So the AC method is this. A times C, or 4 times 1 equals 4. I have to find two numbers that when I multiply them, I get a positive 4. But when I add them up, I get the B term, which is negative 4. Turns out negative 2 plus negative 2 is negative 4. Negative 2 times negative 2 is a positive 4. So then I take this middle term of negative 4x and I divvy it up into two negative 2x and negative 2x. Still keeping the 2 on the outside, I'm going to factor out common factors of the left half and the front, the left half and the right half of our 4-term expression. Greatest common factor on this side between these two terms is 2x. When I factor that out, I get 2x minus 1. Now, if I have a negative sign here, I'm almost always going to factor out the negative sign. My goal is to make this equal this, okay? By factoring out a negative 1, I have to use that to multiply to get my negative 2x. Negative 1 times negative 1 is a positive 1, and I also have this common factor of 2x minus 1. When I factor that out, I'm left with, in here, 2x minus 1. So that 2x, this one here, just goes right here. This negative 1 goes right here. Well, then I realize this times is 2x minus 1 squared. And I can't forget my little 2, so I toss it down there. So this is the factored form. And you guys are